Then we have wash your hair regularly. Dirty hair attracts the head lice that nest in the human hair. It means that we should wash our hair in the regular basis because hair attracts the lice that nest in the human hair which cause itching, and this is very irritating. We should comb our hair daily. If we do not comb our hair, we will have a lots of knots and dirt in our hair. Treat cuts and grazes when you get them. If you leave them untreated, uncovered, germs can get into your body and cause diseases. Because you use your hands more than just about any other part of your body, they are great carrier of the germs. As you know that hands and feet, they plays a very important role in all activities of our daily life. So we should take special care of our hands and our feet. We should wash them time to time. So make sure that wash your hands. When we wash our hands, then when we should wash our hands, number 1, before eating, number 2, before helping to prepare food, after playing outside, after using the toilets, after touching an animal, after sneezing or blowing your nose, after helping in the garden. Now we have keep your pets clean. It is very necessary that we should keep our pets clean. We should not take care ourselves just. We also care our pets. We should also keep them healthy. We should also keep them neat and clean. Don't just make sure that you stay clean. If you have pets animal, you have to make sure that they are clean as well. Not only will your animals be healthier, if they are clean, they are less likely to separate germs to you. इट मीन्स दैट अगर आपके घर में पेट्स हैं तो ज़रूरी है कि आप उनको भी साफ़ सुथरा रखें, ना कि सिर्फ अपने आप को बल्कि उनको भी साफ़ सुथरा रखें, क्योंकि अगर वो जो है अगर वो साफ़ सुथरे नहीं होंगे तो क्या करेंगे कि वो उनकी वजह से भी डिजीज़ कॉज होंगी. ठीक है, तो हमें चाहिए कि अपने साथ साथ अपने पेट्स को भी साफ़ सुथरा रखें. ठीक है. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will going to start our new topic, that is good hygiene, which is on page number 32. Hygiene means neat and clean. Hygiene means neat and clean. We have keep ourselves neat and clean. It is good to be neat and clean, and it keep us healthy. Now let's start our lecture. Eating the right food is just one part of being healthy. Another part is good hygiene. Hygiene is about keeping clean. It is important to keep clean because dirty bodies attract germs and diseases. So a clean body is a healthy body. It means that it is not necessary to eat healthy food to keep ourselves healthy, but hygiene is also necessary and very important to stay fit and healthy. Hygiene play a major role to keep ourselves healthy. Now, there are few habits which can keep us healthy. Here are some things that you should sure you do. There are few habits which are given below, as you can see in the book. If we adopt these habits, we can keep ourselves healthy. The first one is clean your teeth twice a day. This stops germs making holes in your teeth and eating away at your gums. It means that you have to clean your teeth daily, otherwise it will decay. When we eat food, tiny particles of the food get stuck in the mouth and also space between the teeth. If we don't brush the teeth, the germs breed there and form a plaque around the roots of the teeth. So in this way, the teeth are decay, therefore we also have bad breath. So a question arises here, how we should clean our teeth or how we should protect our teeth by decaying. So there are many ways to protect our teeth. First one is rinse your mouth every time after eating something. Number 2, brush your teeth at least twice a day. Once in the morning and second one is before going to bed at night. Third, brush using up and down motion. Number 4, avoid too many sweets to eat. Number 5, you don't use other toothbrush. Then we have change your clothes every day, especially your underwear. Clothes that are directly touching your skin all the day can pick up germs. They need to be washed regularly. It means that we should take bath daily. It means that we should change our clothes daily because skin directly pick up the germs and which is not good for our health. Here is wash your body every day. This removes dirt that could spread diseases. It means that we should take bath daily, which protect us from diseases. We have to clean our ear, nose, hair, nail, teeth to keep our body clean. Then we have change your change your cloth every day. As I discussed earlier that we should change our cloth in the daily basis because skin directly pick up the germs, which is not good for our health.